Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurin Jaslina binti Roslan, metric number 2011234. So today we are from Group 7. We will present our project which is the STEM Outreach Program at MTI Al-Mukmin, Pahang. Next, we move on to the introduction. So, our project name is STEM Outreach Program, which the STEM is stand for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And for our project, the location that we select is MTI Al-Mukmin, which located in Pahang. And the number of students that involved is 24 students, which is involved boys and girls. And the age range is around 10 to 12 years old. And the duration of our program is 2 days, and the sustainable, which is the SDG that we practice in our project, is the SDG 4, which is the quality education. So we choose SDG 4 because we want to ensure the life learning of for all, and in order to ensure the exclusive study. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elena Safra Bintu Amanasi, metric number 20172, and I'm going to explain on the purpose and objectives of this project. So for the purposes, there is actually four, which is first to foster interest and participation in STEM, especially among young students. The second one is to encourage students to pursue their study in STEM, which is later can benefit the economy and the society. The third one is to protect the faith and the intellect, which is in accordance with the maqasid shariah. And the last one is for the to support SDG number 4, which is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality educations and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. Next, as for the objective, there is three objectives for this project, which is the first one is to instill confidence in before these children's abilities, which is to produce and comprehend scientific and mathematical concept. The second one is to foster before these students' interest in science and mathematics, and the last one is to expose before these students to the correlation between science and Islam.
Here's the budget allocated for the program, which includes the cost of materials for each module, gifts and others, and the total amount is 190 ringgit. The program's modules are divided into three elements, which are mathematics, science, and physics. The mathematics activities include tic-tac-toe and geometrical shape, which introduce them to geometry. Next, there are three experiments under the science. The experiments are wool black, an underwater candle, and a small volcano. Lastly, three experiments has been done to introduce them to physics, which include balancing equilibrium, snowball launcher, and magic mill. And here are the photos from the program.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Izzah binti Hamdi. My metric number is 1917544. Moving to the feedback and improvement. For the feedback, at the end of this program, this STEM outreach program has been effectively sparked the students' interest in STEM subject. For the improvement, there are three things that we can do. First is more volunteer into the team. Second, more funding. And lastly, the time management during the program. For the conclusion, at the end of this program, the objective of this program has been successfully achieved, which are students' interest to STEM subject has increased, students starts to feel confident to empowering the STEM subject, and also students has been introduced to practice Salat Duha and knowing its benefit. Hence, we can say that the objective of this program has been successfully achieved.